Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the news on the Boom Beach application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, that's my island, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. If you want to check the news, just click to the circle icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here you can find the newspaper, the second icon under the stars, and here you can check the news, new building, new event for example, and you can check that, and you can find the social media platforms about the game. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.